Have you ever felt a burning desire within you, yearning to manifest your wildest dreams? A deep knowing that there's something extraordinary waiting for you just beyond the horizon? Today, we're delving into the captivating world of visualization, where your imagination becomes the catalyst for bringing your desires to life. Get ready to unlock the incredible power within you as we delve into the extraordinary visualization techniques of Conny Mendez. She was an exceptional author and spiritual teacher, renowned for her groundbreaking teachings on manifestation and the boundless potential of the human mind. In this captivating video, we'll explore Conny Mendez's method of visualization and discover how it can catapult you toward manifesting your wildest dreams. Buckle up, because your manifestation journey is about to reach new heights. Prepare to embark on a transformational voyage into the realm of visualization, a world where your thoughts become tangible and your dreams manifest into reality. Conny Mendez's method is like a secret portal that grants you access to the universe's infinite possibilities. It's time to unleash your inner creator and harness the extraordinary power of visualization. The video is going to be interesting, so watch this video till the end. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Let's dive in. Now let's take a closer look at each step of Conny Mendez's visualization method, equipping you with the tools and knowledge to manifest your desires with extraordinary precision. Step 1. Setting clear intentions. Conny Mendez emphasized the significance of setting clear intentions before delving into the visualization process. Setting clear intentions is the vital first step in Conny Mendez's visualization method. It involves connecting with your desires and goals and expressing them with precision and clarity. When you set clear intentions, you provide a focused direction for your manifestation journey. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly want to manifest in your life. Be specific and detailed about your desires. Write them down in a journal or speak them aloud, affirming your commitment to their realization. By clearly articulating your intentions, you create a powerful alignment between your conscious and subconscious mind. Clear intentions act as a roadmap for the universe, guiding the energies and opportunities that come your way. They create a laser-like focus that helps you stay on track, even when faced with challenges. By defining your intentions, you establish a strong foundation for your visualization practice and amplify the power of your manifestations. Remember, the more clarity and specificity you bring to your intentions, the more precisely the universe can respond. So take the time to dig deep and uncover your true desires. Write them down, visualize them, and embody them with unwavering belief. Let your intentions serve as a beacon, guiding you toward the manifestation of your dreams. Step 2. Creating a vivid mental image. In Step 2 of Conny Mendez's visualization method, we delve into the power of creating a vivid mental image. It's about painting a detailed picture in your mind's eye, bringing your desires to life with clarity and precision. By engaging your imagination, you activate the creative forces within you and align them with the manifestation process. Imagine yourself in the desired reality, fully immersed in the experience. See the colors, shapes, and textures associated with your desired outcome. Visualize the environment, the people, and the circumstances surrounding your manifestation. Allow your imagination to roam freely and construct a mental image that reflects the essence of your desires. As you create this mental image, infuse it with life and vibrancy. See it as if it's happening in the present moment, as if you're an active participant in the scene. Immerse yourself in the emotions, sensations, and energy of this visualization. Feel the excitement, joy, and fulfillment of living your dreams. By vividly imagining your desires, you activate the subconscious mind and align it with your conscious intentions. The subconscious mind does not differentiate between reality and imagination. It takes the mental image you create as a directive and works tirelessly to bring it into physical manifestation. Remember, the more vivid and detailed your mental image, the stronger its impact on the manifestation process. Take the time to visualize with intention and immerse yourself fully in the experience. Let your imagination run wild and let your desires come alive within the canvas of your mind. Step 3. Engaging the senses. Conny Mendez taught the importance of engaging all your senses during visualization. In Step 3 of Conny Mendez's visualization method, we explore the profound impact of engaging all our senses during the visualization process. It's about going beyond visual imagery and incorporating the full range of sensory experiences to make our visualizations more vivid and powerful. As you engage your senses, you tap into the inherent power of sensory perception, which amplifies the manifestation process. By actively involving your senses, you create a multidimensional experience that deeply imprints your desires into your consciousness and the fabric of the universe. Imagine yourself fully immersed in the scene of your visualization. Feel the textures, whether it's the smoothness of a surface or the roughness of nature. Taste the flavors associated with your desired outcome, allowing your taste buds to savor the sweetness of success. Inhale deeply, taking in the scents that evoke the atmosphere of your manifestation. Listen to the sounds that accompany your desired reality, whether it's the whispers of success or the applause of accomplishment. By engaging all your senses, you create a complete and immersive experience within your visualization. This multi-sensory approach activates different parts of your brain and enhances the emotional impact of your desires. It brings your visualizations to life and generates a powerful energetic resonance with the universe. As you consistently engage your senses during visualization, you strengthen the neural pathways associated with your desires. Your mind becomes finely attuned to the details and intricacies of your desired reality, making it easier to manifest it into your physical experience. Remember, the power of visualization lies not only in what we see, but also in what we feel, taste, smell, and hear. Embrace the full spectrum of sensory perception as you immerse yourself in the visualization process. Let your senses be your allies on this manifestation journey, guiding you toward the realization of your deepest desires. Step 4. Adding emotion. To supercharge your visualization, infuse it with positive emotions. Feel the joy, gratitude, excitement, and fulfillment that arise from achieving your desire. Emotions are powerful energy amplifiers that magnetize your visualization and attract your desires into your reality. Step 5. Repetition and consistency. Conny Mendez emphasized the need for repetition and consistency in visualization. Engage in your visualization practice regularly, ideally every day. Step 6. Belief and faith. Belief and faith are essential components of Conny Mendez's method. Trust that your desires are on their way to you and have unwavering faith in the power of your visualization. Let go of doubts and negative thoughts and replace them with a strong belief that what you desire is already manifesting. Step 7. Detachment. Surprisingly, Conny Mendez also emphasized the importance of detachment. After visualizing, release any attachment to the outcome. Detachment allows the universe to orchestrate the manifestation most optimally. Trust in divine timing and surrender to the flow of the universe. Step 8. Visualization journal. Another powerful technique suggested by Conny Mendez is keeping a visualization journal. After each visualization session, take a few minutes to write down your experience and the emotions you felt during the visualization. Describe the details of your mental image and affirmations. Writing in your visualization journal helps solidify the intention in your mind and allows you to track your progress over time. Additionally, reviewing your journal entries can reignite the emotions and beliefs associated with your desires. Step 9. Visualization before sleep. Conny Mendez also recommended practicing visualization just before sleep. Visualization before sleep is a powerful technique that capitalizes on the mind's receptivity during the sleep state. As you lie in bed, relaxed and ready to drift into slumber, take a few moments to engage in a potent visualization practice. Quiet your thoughts and center yourself. Breathe deeply, releasing any tension or stress. Inhale calmness, exhale worries. Now with a calm and clear mind, visualize your desired outcome in vivid detail. Imagine yourself living your dreams, feeling the emotions, seeing the sights, and experiencing the sensations associated with your manifestation. Engage all your senses to make the visualization as real and lifelike as possible. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, taste the sweetness of success, hear the sounds of accomplishment, and see the vibrant colors of your desired reality. Immerse yourself fully in the experience. Embrace the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as if they are already a part of your reality. Feel the excitement and satisfaction of living your dreams. Let these emotions wash over you, knowing that they are magnetizing your desires to you. As you drift off to sleep, hold on to the images and emotions of your visualization. Release any doubts or worries, trusting that the universe is working behind the scenes to manifest your desires. Surrender to the process and let go of attachment to the outcome. Have faith that your dreams are being woven into the fabric of reality, even as you sleep. Incorporating visualization before sleep into your routine allows your subconscious mind to actively participate in manifesting your desires. It sets the stage for your subconscious to work on your goals throughout the night, aligning your energy with the universe's creative forces. Embrace this powerful technique and watch as your dreams become your reality. Step 10. Affirmations throughout the day. To further reinforce your visualization practice, incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. Throughout the day, repeat affirmations that resonate with your desires. This keeps your thoughts aligned with your manifestation goals and enhances the manifestation process. Affirmations can be silently repeated or written down in a journal or sticky notes placed where you can see them. Embrace these positive statements and allow them to become a natural part of your mindset. Remember to visualize with clarity, engage your senses, and infuse your visualizations with belief, faith, and gratitude. Embrace repetition, consistency, and detachment as you surrender to the flow of divine timing. And let your intentions be the guiding light that leads you toward the manifestation of your dreams. Also remember, you are the architect of your reality. Embrace your power, visualize your dreams, and watch as the universe aligns to make them a reality. Until next time, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep shining your light. You are destined for greatness. I hope I was able to provide a thorough study of Conny Mendez's powerful visualization method and how to manifest your thoughts into reality. Of course, this does not mean that we necessarily agree with everything she said or believed in because, in the end, everyone will form their own opinion, which is why we are analyzing and discussing her ideas and methods to fully understand her approach and general ideas, as she was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to express your thoughts and take part in the conversation, leave a comment below the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for more entertaining, informative, and helpful videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.